What if I told you that there is a group of people earning thousands of dollars without actually showing their face or without using any voiceover on YouTube? Yep, I know that it's really a shocking thing for you, but no need to worry, because in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can do the same on YouTube. Just have a look at this channel name as AI Story. This channel has got 333,000 subscribers with just 22 videos, and interesting thing is that most of these videos are short. Now just have a look at another channel named as Faceless with only 51 videos and 4,11,000 subscribers. And interesting thing is that this channel is also a short videos based channel, and I'm pretty sure that both of them are earning thousands and even millions of dollars. Now it's time to move toward our future screen to do the things practically. So now we are here on our computer screen actually. So the only thing we need to do is to type invideo.com on your browser. Such a website will appear on your screen. The only thing you need to do here is to click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, such a type of interference will appear in front of you. Now the only thing you guys need to do is to click add this video with AI is free. After that, I think it may ask for a login. Let it be processing. After processing, it may ask you for a login. I already logged into my account, so it didn't ask me for a login. So for now, the only thing you need to see here is that here's V3 or no. If there is V2 or V1, you need to click on the V3. Now after clicking on V3, you need to see here, create a short video, make explainer video. Now actually we're creating the YouTube short video, so you need to click here on create short video. After clicking on create short video, is asking for which type of videos you want to make. So we're going to make fast-paced video for, so that's I click here. After clicking here, he may ask you that which sort of videos you want to make, or for which platform you're going to make videos. So I'm going to create YouTube shorts, so let it be. Now he's asking that which type of clips you are going to use in your videos. So we're going to use only generated clips. You can also use only generated images or only stock media. One thing I'm going to tell you here that all of these are monetizable. You can easily monetize the content because invideo.com only use stock images or videos. Now he's asking for a background music, so I'm going to give fast music to my video. After that, he's asking for a language, so our language is English. And after that, he's asking for subtitles. If you want to add subtitles to your video, yes, we want to add subtitles to our video, so I'm going to click classic or my subtitles. After that, there's an option of voice actor, which type of voice actor you want to use. So I want to use a male voice here, so I click on male voice. So there are different type of voices you can select, you can try. So I want to use here clear American voice. So after that, he's asking for a watermark test. You can type your channel name here, and after that it is asking for which type of audio you want to use for your video. So I want to add storyboard or cues. So after that, it is asking for style, that which type of style you want for your video. So from here, I'm going to select Maker. After that, you need to click on the continue button. After clicking continue button, it will start analyzing the project, that which type of video you want to create. So one main thing we just forget here is that you need to type your topic here. And I want AI video to make Alexander famous fights. You can type the topic according to your needs and wants. So for now, you need to click on continue. After clicking continue, you need to click on generate a video. After that, it start processing. On processing process, it will first analyze your video. After analyzing, it will start thinking that which type of voice they are going to give to your video. And after that, such a screen will appear in front of you. It is asking for a duration for your video, that what length you want for your video. We're creating short videos, for we are going to create it for 15 seconds. And after that, he's asking for audience, that which type audience you have. So I mostly have student audience, so I'm going to click here. After that, it is asking for a platform, that which type of platform you're using the video for. So we're creating a YouTube short video, so let it be here. So let's click on continue. After clicking on continue, we need to click on proceed this stock media. You can also purchase it from here. After that, video will start processing. We should have to wait a few minutes. Boom, our video is ready. Now just have a look at our video.
Alexander's army outnumbered, facing the mighty Persian Empire. But did he flinch? Nope. He charged straight at King Darius, breaking their lines. Victory. Now fast forward to the siege of Tyre. A 7-month struggle.
It's amazing. You can also change anything from here if you don't like. For example, I want to change the first clip of video, so I need to type here that change the first clip of the video. As you can see, it changed the first clip of the video in few seconds. Now we need to download it by clicking here on the download button. After clicking here, such options will appear in front of you. You need to click on stop watermark normal, then 20p and continue. After that, it will stop rendering the video. Just wait for few minutes. And boom, as you can see, our video is downloading. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.